Well, here's what we're tracking for the next several days. And first and foremost, it's tonight our next weather maker arrives. Showers and, even some thunder arriving overnight tonight. There'll be some loud claps of thunder, but the risk of anything severe looks pretty low. Good downpours, though, through tomorrow morning. We are drier through midweek. We have temperatures by Thursday in the upper 80s. Then as we approach the weekend, some scattered thunder showers could return by, say, late Friday into Saturday. Still several days to watch and keep track of that. Temperatures right now mostly upper 70s, right on par for this time of year. Southerly breeze coming in. A lot of clouds arriving, and if you have outdoor plans this evening, it's fine. It'll be warm, humid, but any showers holding off to way after midnight and through those early pre-dawn hours of Tuesday. So we're going to get started with rain, some early morning storms, and this will be impactful for the morning commute time to work and school, but I think a decrease in coverage the later we get into the day. And we could use the rain. Not everybody experiencing drought, but if you head up the interstate up I-75, parts of Bradley, parts of McMinn County, under a level 1. We call a D1 moderate drought. Other areas exceptionally dry, so these downpours are much needed. Right now, not much showing up, but just to our west, showers and a few storms are lining up east of Memphis and approaching the far outer suburbs of Nashville. Again, this is not a severe line of showers and storms, but there are some embedded storms in there. Highest risk for anything severe is farther down to the south to the Gulf Coast. So this whole front, which is very active this weekend, is in a much weaker state than it once was. So in fact, by the time it passes our way, the front basically falls apart. Higher risk for anything severe tomorrow is still way off to our north and west. So here's our high-res model showing you the eventual timing of showers arriving tonight. It's around midnight, a few showers near the plateau, but I really think between, say, 4 a.m., that's when rain moves in. Some of the downpours, especially the southern half of our viewing area, parts of DeKalb, parts of Jackson, down towards Chattooga County, some of these downpours could be heavy. We'll keep an eye on that. Could be very impactful again for the morning commute time. There'll be some embedded thunder in there, higher risk to the south. And notice around 7 a.m., a decent coverage of showers to start the day. But as we approach, say, mid-morning, and after mid-morning towards midday, the coverage of rain starts breaking up a bit. So by the afternoon, we'll have some sunshine back and temperatures right back into the 70s. So a gloomy start gives way to late day sun and then totally drying out for tomorrow night. By the time we get to Wednesday, 50s early. In fact, some clouds to start the day, but temperatures are back in the low 80s. By the time we get to Thursday, even more sunshine. Temperatures early afternoon, mid 80s, approaching the upper 80s by late day. Not far from that 90-degree mark for the first time this season. So quite warm and quite summer-like. As far as rainfall amounts, they're going to vary quite a bit. I think the higher amounts are going to be farther to the south, but between, say, 3/4 of an inch, just over an inch is possible. But again, it's rain that we do need as we've been dry for a while. So please be careful traveling late tonight, and especially have some plans to plan on some slower traffic tomorrow morning. Later in the day for the commute home from work and school, there'll be fewer showers and temperatures warmer with highs mid-70s. We're looking good Wednesday and Thursday. Really, most of Friday's fine. Just a scattering of showers and a little bit of thunder late Friday into Saturday. I think there'll be a better chance for scattered thunder showers Saturday and some drier periods on Sunday.
All right, David Glenn.